The short film sequences that follow are intended to convey to the user the basic steps involved in assembling, installing and subsequently removing various items of equipment. These are not intended as safety films as such. Indeed, methods may need to be varied to cope with the actual site conditions and resources available. It is, however, essential and a legal obligation that the user conducts a comprehensive, site-specific risk assessment of all shoring activities during the planning process. Again, the risk assessment process is not dealt with here. However, it is assumed that the following basic measures are in place before any excavation work commences. The excavation works area, safety zones and access requirements have been identified and appropriately marked out. The area has been surveyed for overhead and buried services and appropriate actions and measures taken. Copies of drawings, plans, user guides and other documentation are available and have been read and understood by the supervisor prior to commencing work. Adequate and appropriate lifting facilities are available for all stages of the installation, including provisions of a qualified banksman. Barriers or suitable fencing are available to secure the area and helping to prevent unauthorised access and falls into the excavation. A suitably qualified, competent person is available to supervise and inspect the work at regular intervals and to ensure that the design parameters, as stated in the design brief, are not exceeded. All operatives have appropriate PPE. Suitable tools are available. These films are not intended to go into specific detail with regard to the loading and unloading of equipment from vehicles. Again, the responsibility for conducting this in a safe manner lies with the site manager. These films have been produced with the cooperation, facilities and assistance of the National Construction College at Bircham, Newton. Please click on the appropriate icon on the screen menu to launch a short installation sequence for the product in question.